This is going to be a video tutorial on how to move the taskbar icons to the left side in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To move your taskbar icons over to the left side, it'll give a similar look as what Windows 10 did. To do that, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, you want to go on the pane off to the left hand side. You want to go to the Personalization tab. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways down to where you see it says Taskbar and click on Taskbar. And on this screen, you want to go down to where it says Taskbar Behaviors and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Then you'll scroll down just a tiny bit, and next to where it says Taskbar Alignment, there's a little button here. By default, it's probably set to center, as you see mine is, but if you click that drop down, it gives you the option to change it to the left side. I'm going to click on Left. Now as you can see, my taskbar icons have been moved over to the left side, and I have my little start icon in the left corner. That's kind of similar to Windows 10. That is how you move your taskbar icons over to the left side. Thanks for watching.